Hello, teacher. These are my next vacation. In my next vacation, I am going to Rex and share with my family. I am going to visit my friends and my family. Also, I would like to travel but different places and practice different sports. I am going to go Coveñas and weekend with my girlfriend and my brother. We are going to travel in bags because of it's near. This is a fantastic place in which I am going to visit beautiful places as the beach, restaurants, and parks. Also, I am going to eat fish and all seafoods. I am going to practice water sports as swimming, windsurf, surf, for have the best vacation. Thank you.